Alright guys, mega truck's out here in the snow. I did up the pinion from the 18 to the 21. Boy, let me tell you, them back tires will expand. If I hold it full throttle, they'll probably pop. I want to see what she does here in the snow. Oh yeah, digging right through it like I was hoping she would. Take her over here and get some deep stuff. Right out the gate, right into the deep stuff here. Yeah, it's got the power to go through the deep snow now. I ain't even really holding full throttle, that's about half. Them back tires expanding, ballooning out. I tried to do a wheelie in the snow. I can't believe it goes through the snow that good. Hard to see. Do my own plowing. It don't want to turn. Uh-oh, now I'm stuck. There we go. There we go. Hell yeah, guys. Awesome. When I have more time, I'd go out and do some more stuff, but I just wanted to come out and test it out, see how it's going to do. Like I said, you don't want to turn. Don't want to turn in it, but let's see here. I can get you. Woo! Them tires balloon with that 21 turn pinion on there. Alright guys, thanks for watching this short video here, and we'll see you in the next one.